Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will set the session parameters and get a track ready to record. First, choose the sample rate and bit depth so your files match your target. This prevents resampling later. Once done, open Preferences and select your audio device and driver. Make sure inputs are enabled. Next, create a new track, assign the correct physical input, click Record Arm for that track, and enable input monitoring if you want to hear yourself. These early choices control quality and avoid routing confusion. You will now manage routing, latency, and take control for a smooth session. If you hear delay, reduce buffer size. If CPU spikes, increase it. Balance is key. Turn on the metronome and optionally set pre-roll so you enter in time. Enable punch-in for partial retakes. Route a dedicated headphone mix via sends or buses so performers hear the right blend. For multi-microphone setups, create folder tracks and label inputs clearly so you can arm and record. You will finish and secure your work, then perform quick edits and a troubleshooting check. Stop recording and save immediately. Save a backup copy and consolidate takes to avoid accidental deletion. Use lane comping to select the best phrases, trim boundaries, and add short fades to prevent clicks. Normalize or adjust gain for consistent levels, then render a test mix. If something goes wrong, check input routing first, then disk space, buffer settings, and restart the audio driver. This often resolves recording failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.